Friends, in this session we'll start with chapter number 7, DPP, that is equilibrium. So question number 1 on your screen. Kc for this reaction, you are given one equation at 300 Kelvin and Kc की value दी हुई है, you have to find out the Kp. Very easy, straight away. Kp is equal to Kc, RT raised to delta Ng. If delta N is equal to 0, Kp is equal to Kc. Question number 2, important one. At 100 degrees Celsius, the Kw of water is 55 times its value at 25 degrees Celsius. What will be the pH of this neutral solution? Log 55 का value दिया हुआ है, that is 1.74. So, Kw at 25 degrees Celsius is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14. So Kw basically it's H plus into OH minus. Kw का value क्या होता है 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 14. So at 100 degrees Celsius it's 55 times, means 55 into 10 to the power minus 14. For a neutral solution, अगर neutral solution है तो H plus and OH minus दोनों का concentration same होगा. तो H plus square is equal to 55 into 10 to the power minus 14. अंडर रूट निकाल लीजिए, pH फाइंड आउट कर लीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, and finally your answer is 6.13. That is Ahmedabad. Question number 3 on your screen. It's also important. The dissociation constant of a weak acid is 1 into 10 to the power minus 4. In order to prepare a buffered solution with a pH is equal to 5, the salt by acid ratio should be. So formula, pH is equal to pKa plus log salt upon acid. pH is given, pKa is given. तो आपको ढूंढना है, क्लियरली स्टेटमेंट में पूछा है, you have to find out salt by acid ratio. So pKa is equal to minus log of 1 into 10 to the power minus 4 is equal to 4. सिंप्लीफाई करते जाइए, make a form of log salt upon acid. लास्ट स्टेप पे आपको एंटी लॉग लेना है, तो योर वैल्यू इज 10:1. So C Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 4. The exothermic formation of ClF3 is represented by this equation. Straight away simple theoretical question. Ahmedabad is your right answer. Fifth, the Ksp of Ag2CrO4, AgCl, AgBr and AgI respectively. These are the values given. Which of one of the following salt will precipitate last if AgNO3 solution is added to the solution containing equal mole of, जो ऊपर आपको दिया हुआ है, that is NaCl, NaBr, NaI and Na2CrO4. Interesting one. This question belongs from sparingly soluble salt. KSP के बारे में है. Ag2CrO4, Ksp is equal to Ag plus plus Cr2O4 minus 2. So Ag plus is equal to this. Likewise, AgCl, Ksp is equal to Ag plus plus Cl minus. So Ag plus is just like this. Same case with AgBr and AgI. So if we take CrO4 minus 2, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus is equal to 1, then the maximum Ag plus will be required in case of Ag2CrO4. Just because only the case where you have a 2 Ag, remaining all the species having only 1 Ag. Question 6. Once again KSP, यहाँ पे न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट दिए है My and NY3 करके दिया हुआ है. Which statement would be true in regards to My and NY3? My, that is M plus plus Y minus. Ksp is equal to S square. That Ksp value is given, that is 6.2 into 10 to the power minus 13. S is equal to under root 6.2 into 10 to the power minus 13. NY3 is equal to N raised to 3 plus 3 raised to 3Y minus. Simplify कीजिए, you get S. Now compare this to S. One S is 7.87 into 10 to the power minus 7 and another is 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 4. So it's clear molar solubility of NY3 is more as compared to My. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए. बहुत ही इजी, बहुत ही सिंपल, स्ट्रेट अवे न्यूमेरिकल है. आपको फाइनल वैल्यू भी कैलकुलेट नहीं करनी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्टर ही ढूंढ लेना है. वही आपके 4 ऑप्शन है. सो डेल्टा जी इज इक्वल टू 86.6 किलो जूल पर मोल, दैट इज 86600. T is equal to 298. Kp for this reaction is 1.6 into 10 to the power 12. So our equation delta G is equal to minus RT ln Kp. Put all this value in this equation. वैल्यूज रखते जाइए, सिंप्लीफाई करते जाइए. आपको कोई फाइनल कैलकुलेशंस करके नहीं रखना है. सिंपल जो फैक्टर लास्ट बन रहा है सिंप्लीफिकेशन का, वही आपका ऑप्शन है. दैट इज बी बॉम्बे. डेल्टा G0 of NO2 is equal to 0.5 into capital box 2 into 86600 minus R. टेम्परेचर इज 298. ln Kp की वैल्यू है 1.6 into 10 to the power plus 12. So this is all about your question number 7. Question number 8 on your screen, that is liquid to vapor, Clapeyron-Clausius equation, that is answer is D, Delhi. Question number 9 on your screen, you are given a 3 equation and the equilibrium constant K for this given reaction. K1, K2, K3 दिया हुआ है, सिंप्लीफाई करना है और उसका रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है फाइनल इक्वेशन के लिए. So you are given a 3 equation, सभी के फॉर्म पे K1, K2 and K3 बना लीजिए. Now applying equation number 2 plus 3 into equation number 3 minus 1, what we get, जो आपको गिवन दिया था, that is 2NH3 plus 5/2O2 at equilibrium K 2NO plus 3H2O. Now सारी वैल्यूज यहाँ पे रख दीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए, वैल्यूज को कैंसल आउट कीजिए एंड व्हाट यू गेट K is equal to K2 into K3 raised to 3 divided by K1. Question number 10 on your screen. You are given a 4 graph and your final answer is B, Bombay. Question number 11. Once again, sparingly soluble salt. You are given Ag2C2O4 is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Solubility product of Ag2C2O4 is Ag2C2O4 equilibrium with 2Ag plus C2O4 minus 2. Solubility of Ag is 2S. C2O4 means oxalate having S. So Ksp is equal to Ag plus raised to 2, C2O4 minus 2 raised to 1. Ag plus concentration is given, that is 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 4. Simplify कीजिए, make a form of Ksp and your answer is C Calcutta, that is 5.324 into 10 to the power minus 12. 12. सिंपल स्ट्रेट अवे इक्वेशन Kp Kc का रेशियो ढूंढना है. आंसर इज बी, बॉम्बे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 ऑन योर स्क्रीन. द डिग्री ऑफ डिसोसिएशन ऑफ PCl5, that is alpha, that obey equation PCl5 equilibrium with PCl3 plus Cl2. PCl5 is equilibrium with PCl3 plus Cl2, that is 1 minus alpha, alpha and alpha. Kp is equal to product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए और सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए. Kp is equal to alpha square into P. Alpha is equal to under root Kp by P. So when 1 minus alpha square is equal to 1. So your answer is B, Bombay. 14 on your screen. Almost same numerical available in your AND exercise also. Statement is given SrCO3 equilibrium with SrO plus CO2 where Kp is 1.6 atm. Maximum pressure of CO2 is equal to the pressure of CO2 at equilibrium for this reaction. You are given Kp is equal to P, CO2 is equal to 1.6 atm. Now ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. So volume of the container at this stage, V is equal to nRT by P. N is constant or N is equal to 1 ले लीजिए, make a form of this. What you get 0.4 into 20 divided by RT. So V is equal to 0.4 multiplied by 20 divided by RT multiplied by RT divided by 1.6. Simplify करोगे, your answer is D Delhi 5 liter. Question number 15 on your screen. For a given reaction, Kp is given data extract कीजिए. Temperature is given 1000, P of CO is given 10 of PCO2. The total pressure of the gas equilibrium is. So ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं सिमिलर काइंड्स ऑफ, बहुत ही इजी होते हैं. C plus CO2 gives 2CO. Apply Kp, product concentration divided by the reactant concentration. Here in case we have a gas, so that's why it's a pressure. P of CO divided by P of CO2. Kp is given. Simplify करते जाइए. What you get? You get P of CO is equal to 10 P of CO2. So basically वो रेशियो है 10 टाइम्स. तो आपको फाइनल आंसर मिला 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.63 इज इक्वल टू 6.3 ATM. सो टोटल प्रेशर कितना होगा? P total is equal to P of CO2 plus P of CO. That is 0.63 plus 6.3. Your answer is 6.93. That is B, Bombay. आप लोगों को कंफ्यूज करने के लिए एक ऑप्शन 6.3 भी है, तो गलती से ए अहमदाबाद टिक करके मत आ जाइएगा. आपको टोटल पूछा हुआ है तो 6.3 प्लस 0.63 ऐड करना रहेगा. 16 on your screen. You are given H2A 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 and second H रिलीज होगा तब 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 10 respectively. When H2A dissociate, you get H plus plus HA minus. So K1 is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5. Second step, HA minus gives H plus plus A double minus. So K1 and K2 both are given. Make a form of K is equal to K1 into K2. Multiplication कर लीजिए. Your answer is D Delhi, that is 5 into 10 to the power minus 15. Question number 17 on your screen. 2.5 ml 2 by 5 molar weak mono base is titrated with 2 by 15 m of HCl in water. The concentration of H plus equivalent point Kw is given. Monoacidic, that is BOH. When BOH titrated against HCl, you get BCl plus H2O. So at equilibrium, B plus plus H2O gives BOH plus H plus. So it's a simple titration. N1V1 is equal to N2V2. 2 by 15 concentration is given, multiply by V1 is equal to 2.5 is given, multiply by 2 by 5. So make a form of V1 and your answer is 7.5 ml. Now BCl concentration, that is 2 by 5 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 10, that is called as 0.1 molar. Now simple formula, KH is equal to KW divided by KB. So KH is equal to KW की वैल्यू पता है, KB अभी आपने फाइंड आउट किया, that is given data के अनुसार. So you are get KH is equal to 10 to the power minus 2. Now इक्विलिब्रियम के इक्वेशन के ऊपर से KH is equal to 0.1 H square divided by 1 minus H. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए and you get a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation का सॉल्यूशन कैसे आएगा? X is equal to minus B plus or minus under root B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Now A, B, C एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए गिवन इक्वेशन के ऊपर. ऐसा ही सेम न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व एग्जांपल एज वेल एज एंड एक्सरसाइज में भी हमने किया हुआ है. सिंप्लीफाई करते जाइए. यू गेट टू वैल्यू, वन इज एक्सेप्टेबल रेंज, अनदर इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल इन रेंज. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से दैट H plus concentration is equal to C into H. 0.1 multiplied by 0.27 is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is your final answer. Thus, the correct answer is D Delhi. Question number 18 and 19 both are on your screen. दोनों के स्टेटमेंट पढ़ लीजिए, गिवन डेटा एक्सट्रैक्ट कर लीजिए. देन 18 एंड 19 दोनों एक साथ डिस्कशन करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, m1v1 इज इक्वल टू m2v2। m2 को इक्वेशन का फॉर्म बना लीजिए, यू गेट 10 to the power minus 3। So simple equation BOH is equal to B plus plus OH minus initial concentration C at that time dash dash, after some time 1 minus alpha 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 C into 1 minus alpha C alpha C alpha। So ये सारी simplifications आप सभी को पता है। So under root final equation क्या हो जाएगा, alpha is equal to under root KB into C। So basically under root 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 under root is equal to 10 to the power minus 4. So pH plus POH is equal to 14. pH is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. Answer is C, Calcutta. Now we'll start with 19. Solubility product का आगे भी किया हुआ क्वेश्चन है, खाली स्पीशीज चेंज की हुई है। AgIO3 gives Ag plus plus IO3 minus। Ag plus solubility is S, IO3 minus solubility is S। KSP is equal to S square, तो S is equal to under root KSP। So once you get S, multiply by molar mass करना मत भूलिएगा, that is 283। Simplify कीजिए and your answer is C, Calcutta, that is 2.83 into 10 to the power minus 3। 20th, very simple, very easy, A Ahmedabad। 21, once again ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन किए हुए। 21 is A Ahmedabad। 22 भी सेम ही है, KSP, that is B Bombay। 23 is D Delhi। So 21 is A Ahmedabad, 22 is B Bombay, 23 is D Delhi। Let's start with 24। Which one of this following statement is not true? गलत कौन सा है वो ढूंढना है आपको। बी बॉम्बे इज योर राइट आंसर। किस हिसाब से जस्टिफाई करते हैं? pH of an acidic solution should be less than 7। The reason is that H2 is made up by H plus plus OH minus। So H plus is equal to 10 to the power minus 8, H2OH plus is equal to 10 to the power minus 7। Now you have to consider both। So pH is equal to minus log of H plus, that is minus log 11 into 10 to the power minus 8। Simplify कीजिए and your answer is 6.9586। So your answer B Bombay is a wrong statement, which is your right answer of 24th। 25 on your screen, statement पढ़ लीजिए, बहुत ही easy है। M1V1 is equal to M2V2। So M1V1 is equal to M2V2 फॉर्मूला के अंदर रख दीजिए। pH is equal to 1 is given, H plus concentration find out कर लीजिए and your answer is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 लीटर। आपको मिसलीड करने के लिए एक ऑप्शन होगा 10 ऑल्सो, बट आंसर 10 नहीं होगा, दैट इज 9 लीटर्स। 26, you are given one equation, Kc of this reaction is given। So when Kp and Kc are compared at 184, वो फाइंड आउट करना है। So everything is given, Kc, R, Kp। Kp is equal to Kc into R into T। Simplify कीजिए, your answer, hence it is clear, Kp is greater than to this Kc। 27, once again KSP। 27 is C, Calcutta, and likewise 28 is also C, Calcutta। Let's focus 29। You are given a solubility product, that is sparingly soluble salt। आप उसको उसका ऑर्डर ढूंढना है। तो फर्स्ट Cr2SO4 thrice is 2Cr plus 3 SO4 -2। So Kp is equal to 2s raised to 2, 3s raised to 3। Finally S is equal to Ksp by 108 raised to 1/5। Likewise बाकी सारे सॉल्ट के लिए Hg2Cl2 and BaSO4 CrCl3, एंड सभी के लिए आप S ढूंढ लीजिए। एंड फाइनल योर कंक्लूजन, hence the correct order of solubility is under root Ksp is greater than to this raised to 1/4 raised to 1/4 raised to 1/5, but denominator देख लीजिए, by 16 by 27 and by 108। So 29 is B, Bombay. And last 30th, calculate the pH of 0.5 molar aqueous solution of NaCN. The pKb of CN minus is 4.70. बहुत easy, straight away numerical है. Answer is B, Bombay. So this is all about your chapter number 7, equilibrium DPP. Thank you so much.